Mathematical modeling, a powerful tool for problem solving. Mathematical modeling is a valuable tool for tackling complex problems in various fields. It involves representing real-world situations using mathematical concepts, equations, and theories. Introduction to mathematical modeling. Abstraction and simplification. Mathematical models abstract real-world phenomena, focusing on essential features while simplifying non-essential details. Predictive power. Models allow us to predict further outcomes based on current conditions and assumptions. This is crucial for informed decision-making. Problem-solving tools. Mathematical models provide a framework for systematically analyzing problems, identifying solutions, and testing different approaches. The modeling process. From real-world problems to mathematical representation. 1. Problem identification. Clearly define the problem, its scope, and the desired outcomes. 2. Data collection. Gather relevant data about the problem. This might involve conduction experiment, survey, or using existing data sources. 3. Model formulation. Translate the problem into a mathematical representation using equations, variables, and assumptions. 4. Model analysis. Solve the equation, interpret the result, and draw conclusions about the real-world problem. 5. Validation and refinement. Compare model prediction the real-world data. If necessary, refine the model to improve its accuracy. Formulating the model. Identifying variables, constraints, and assumptions. 1. Variables. Identify the key factors that influence the problems. These are represented as variables in the model. 2. Constraint. Define limitation and restriction on the variables. This might be based on physical laws, resource limitation, or other constraints. 2. 3. Assumption. Simplify the problem by making assumptions about the system or its behavior. Assumptions should be reasonable and justifiable. Appropriate mathematical techniques. Differential equation used to model continuous change over time. This equation describes the rate of change of variables. Linear programming. Optimize a linear objective function subject to constraint. Used in resource allocation, scheduling, and manufacturing. Statistical analysis. Used to analyze data, identify patterns, and make inference about population use in forecasting, quality control, and research. Application of mathematical modeling, case studies, and example. 1. Biology, modeling population growth, disease, spread, and ecological interaction. 2. Finance, predicting stock prices, managing risk, and optimizing investment strategies. 3. Engineering, designing structures, simulating fluid flow, and analyzing mechanical system. 4. Meteorology, predicting weather patterns, forecasting natural disaster, and understanding climate change.